Hi all, let's see how to make Paneer Masala Curry, a delicious and rich Indian dish. For that, take 2 tomatoes, 2 onions and paneer. Remove the skin of the onions and finely chop them. Finely chop the tomatoes. Cut the paneer into cubes. To a mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons of curd. Beat the curd well to break any lumps. To the beaten curd, add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add salt as per your taste. I am adding 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix until all the spices combine well together. Add half teaspoon of garam masala. In a pan, add 2 spoons of oil. Heat the oil over medium flame. Once oil heat up, add paneer cubes and saute until they turn golden brown. Once paneer turns golden brown, remove them from oil and keep it aside. To the same oil, add bay leaf, star anise, cardamom, cloves and let them splutter. Add finely chopped onions to the spices and saute until they turn golden brown. Once onion turns golden brown, add finely chopped tomatoes and cook them till they become soft. Once tomatoes become soft, add the curd in which we mixed all the spices. Cook until the oil starts to separate from the mixture. Add 1 glass of water and let it boil. Once it starts boil, add the fried paneer cubes and mix to coat them in the masala. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the paneer to absorb the flavors. Garnish with kasuri methi and cook it for about 5 minutes. Delicious paneer masala is ready. Serve it with hot roti, naan or steamed rice. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. If you like the recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel guys. Bye bye.